Are you looking for the perfect gift ideas this holiday season? In this video, I'm sharing over 100 Christmas wishlist ideas for everyone. Let's make this Christmas the best one yet. The first one in the list is movie or musical tickets. Robux gift card and dress to impress VIP. Anyone who play Roblox would want these. Manga. This is great if you're into anime and manga. CD vinyl. This is a nostalgic way to enjoy your favorite music and add to a growing collection. Forensic Science Chart Murder Mystery Kit. You can solve mysteries with family and friends, giving you a special experience. National Park Annual Pass. Perfect for adventure lovers to explore parks all year. Subscription services. Get Netflix, Prime, Disney Plus, or Crunchyroll for endless entertainment from movies to anime. Spa gift card. Great way to relax and recharge. Kindle. An e-reader for bookworms to carry their entire library everywhere. Lego. They are enjoyed by everyone. Sunny Angel. These are adorable collectible minifigures for that touch of cuteness. Jellycat plushies, soft, quirky, and cuddly companions that make great gifts for any age. Posters. To decorate your walls with your favorite bands, movies, or aesthetic designs. Coloring book, scrapbook. Create lasting memories by collecting photos, stickers, and more. K-pop albums. Get your favorite group's latest album, K-pop Light Stick. Complete your concert experience with an official fandom light stick. Chimera Magic Wand. A fun, remote control wand for your inner wizard. Museum tickets and shows. A great way to enjoy culture, history, and live performances. Or you can get aquarium tickets, gift cards for cafes, concert tickets. Blind boxes of your favorite collectible figurines or toys. Chocolate calendar, sweet surprises every day leading up to Christmas. Record player music lovers who enjoy a vintage vibe. Anime figurines of your favorite characters, Kinder Joy. Coffee, premium beans or pods for coffee enthusiasts. Pet fish, perfect for low-maintenance pets. Miffy plushies, favorite character plushies, pocket watch. A vintage accessory with a classy twist. Divoom D2. This is a retro-style Bluetooth speaker with cute pixel art displays. Mini locker, you can store any small items in this. Mini vending machines, fun-sized machines for snacks or collectibles. Webtoon coins, unlock your favorite comics and exclusive content. 2D anime cutouts, bring your favorite characters to life. Fake tattoos, skateboard, ice or roller skates. Character ID cards, unique ID cards featuring your favorite fandom characters. Temperature control mug. This is a smart mug that keeps your coffee or tea at the perfect temperature for hours. Iced coffee maker, a must-have for coffee lovers. Air fryer, for cooking crispy, healthier meals with less oil. Heated blanket, for staying warm and cozy during those chilly winter nights. Cable animals. These are adorable little accessories for charging cables. Sunrise alarm clock. Candle warmers. These are a safer way to enjoy the scent of your favorite candles without an open flame. Phone cases. Wireless charger gives a clutter-free way to charge your phone. Waterproof Bluetooth speaker for your own concert and shower. Disposable camera. This is great for capturing moments in a nostalgic, old-school way. GoPro for recording adventurers. Portable charger, charging devices while you're outside. Lamp, mini projector. This is perfect for creating your own movie nights anywhere. Polaroid camera. This is great for instantly capturing and printing memories on the spot. Bluetooth microphones. This is a fun gift for anyone who loves karaoke. Keyboard. A useful upgrade for gamers, writers, or anyone who wants. Laptop case. Protective accessory to keep your laptop safe. Laptop stand. This is perfect for improving posture. Nintendo console. This is a classic gaming console. To go with console, Nintendo Switch games. Eco. This is a high-quality pair of earbuds for audiophiles who love great sound. MP3 player. Convenient way to listen to your favorite music without draining your phone's battery. Game Boy Pocket. This is a fun, nostalgic handheld console for retro gaming lovers. iPod. This is a classic device for storing and listening to your entire music library. Flip phones. This is a trendy throwback for anyone who wants a simpler phone experience. Phone holder. This is a handy accessory for watching videos, making calls, or driving hands-free. Art supplies. This is perfect if you love drawing, painting, or crafting. Cookbook. This is great for anyone who wants to improve their cooking skills. Memory book. This is a sweet way to collect and cherish special memories with photos, notes, and keepsakes. Gratitude journal, food cooking class. This is a fun experience to learn new recipes and cooking techniques with a pro. Painting or art class. Online courses. Perfect for learning anything new, from photography to coding, right from home. Ballet shoes, for those who are learning ballet. Language learning book or course. Mini sewing machine for those who are just getting started. Cute notebooks. These can be used for journaling, note-taking, or staying organized. Oh-hoo-hoo markers. These are high-quality markers perfect for blending, shading, and creating amazing art. Sketchbooks. This is a must-have for artists. Premiere Pro subscription. Perfect for aspiring editors to level up their video editing skills. Guitar. Start a new musical journey or add to your instrument collection. Hoodie blanket. A cozy, oversized hoodie that doubles as a blanket. Comfy bathrobe. Soft and fluffy for ultimate relaxation. Converse. Classic sneakers that go with any outfit. Platform Uggs. Warm Ugg boots with extra height and style. Corduroy pants. Stylish textured pants perfect for colder weather. Oversized puffer jacket. A warm and trendy winter essential. Lace socks. Delicate and cute socks to add a feminine touch. Ugg slippers. Soft, cozy slippers for lounging around the house. Press-on nails. Easy to apply nails for a salon look at home. Polo socks. Sporty, comfortable socks for everyday wear. Cute pajamas. Cozy and stylish sleepwear sets. Crocs charms. Fun, customizable charms for your Crocs. Pandora charms. Elegant charms to personalize your Pandora bracelet. Leg warmers. T-shirt with cute print. Claw clips. Stylish hair accessories for effortless updos. Your Yes Style cart. Trendy, aesthetic finds from your favorite site. Birkenstock clogs. Comfortable, versatile shoes for all-day wear. Puffer tote bag. A stylish, padded bag for carrying essentials. Shoulder bag. A chic and practical bag for everyday use. Bag charms. Cute accessories to personalize your bags. Ballet flats. Classic, comfy shoes for a timeless look. Mary Jane's. Stylish, vintage-inspired shoes with a strap. Trench coat. A timeless, sophisticated outerwear piece. Ralph Lauren sweater. Cute luggage. Durable and stylish for your next trip. Bag keychains or clips. Fun add-ons to customize your bag. Your aesthetic style outfits. Clothes that match your vibe perfectly. East Boy school bag. A trendy, Japanese-style school bag. Sunglasses, beret. A chic accessory for a touch of Parisian flair. Newsboy cap. A stylish, vintage-inspired hat for fall and winter. Concert bags. Compact, stylish bags to carry essentials at concerts. Aesthetic badges. Cute pins to customize bags, jackets, or hats. Hand warmers, jeans charms. Fun accessories to clip onto belt loops or pockets. Aesthetic jeans buttons. Stylish, customizable buttons to tighten your jeans waist and add a unique style. Watches. Couple keychains, matching keychains to share with your special someone. Skincare, humidifier, keeps the air fresh and your skin hydrated. Bath bombs, musical jewelry box. A charming way to store jewelry with a touch of melody. Erasable pens, homemade cookies. Delicious and thoughtful treats made with love. Titanium Stanley mug, durable and stylish for your favorite beverages. Star pimple patch. Flower nose makeup set. Beautifully designed makeup for aesthetic lovers. Rug or carpet for your room. A cozy addition to make your space feel complete. IKEA cart. A functional and trendy storage solution for your room. Perfumes, glitter eyeliner, adds sparkle and drama to your makeup look. Photo printer. Instantly print memories straight from your phone. Pegboard, makeup organizer, keeps your beauty products neat and easy to find. Skincare advent calendar. Cute mug and bowls. Hand mirror. Unique tumbler. Transparent cigarette case for money and postcards. A unique and quirky way to store small items. Mini fan. Aesthetic badges, cute designs to decorate bags or clothes. AirPod cases, phone charms, Apple Watch bands. Customize your watch with cute and stylish bands. Cute hair clips. Adorable clips to add charm to your hairstyles. Key charms. Fun decorative charms for keys or bags. And that's it. I hope you found something for your Christmas wish list. See you in next video.